This tutorial video will guide you through the process of calculating the total sales value between two selected dates in a given table. By updating the start and end dates, the formula will automatically calculate the sales value within the selected time frame. The formula will utilize the sum function, which requires a range of numbers. To extract the sales value corresponding to the selected dates, we will use the index and match functions. The sales value column will be specified as the array argument of the index function. Then, the match function will be used to return the row number where the date in cell F2 matches the date in the table. This will return the exact match for the sales value on the selected date. The resulting value returned by the formula will be the total sales amount for the selected date range. As an example, the formula will return the sales amount of $2,740 for July 2nd. Using the same index and match approach, we can extract the sales value for the end date as well. After entering the formula, it returns a value of 1,000, which is the sales for July 8th. Now, we can use this index and match formula in the sum function. We will copy the start date value formula and paste it as the number argument in the sum function. We will use a colon to define the cell ranges, so before pasting the end date formula, we will type a colon. Then, we will paste the end date index and match function. Finally, we will close the bracket. As a result, the formula returns the total sales value between the two dates. If we change the start and end dates accordingly, the formula returns the correct answer. We hope you have learned something new today, and we will see you in the next video. Have a nice day.